ونيسرك لليسرى فذكر إن نفعت الذكرى سيذكر من يخشى. جزاك الله خير.
Mashallah.
Yung nasa listang wala na brother.
Kalas. Back out daw.
Okay, while waiting for the result of our winners of our Quran competition, we will first proceed on the awarding of certificate of completion in Iqra class.
This grade 3. Yes, sir.
Graduation, how was that? This one is we have the sound system in finished. We have some appreciate for them going to Quran. So we have like this and
Mashallah,
give some appreciation that we have. So yeah.
For the winner already know or
Yeah, you just now and then later you call after that,
after this?
graduation. Yes.
May I request Ustad May Ido?
What is that?
Certificate reads, the certificate of completion. This certificate is awarded to
No, mashallah.
Ayesha Lapedes.
Yes, we have graduation. Ganda, di ba?
How to say to have it for this?
Okay, this certificate.
Proxy.
Okay, this certificate is
Hindi.
okay. Certificate reads certificate of completion for the completion of the first Iqra 1 to 6 in the condition that the knowledge learned be internalized and be useful in continuing learning the Deen of Islam. May I request Ustad Medido to give the certificate.
Yan, dalawa.
Mashallah.
Certificate is awarded to Ayesha Lapedes.
Certificate yung po ano tayo kasi.
Hey, who take picture? Picture. What is it?
Already?
Ay, iba pala.
Next.